Welcome to the Vector Garden. In this quick tip, we're going to recreate this effect here. As you might have guessed, that is a blend. And I have already created the base object here, which is that text, and I have outlined the text in order to not get into trouble with the vertical center of it. So we also need, of course, the other state of it. So as you see here, it's been rotated from vertical to horizontal. Okay, let's do that. I'm going to copy it. So going to edit copy and then edit paste in back. So behind, and then let's change the color to black, and then also let's rotate that and then select the two and make the blend. So let's go to Object, Blend, Make. And you see, so this does not look like we could fix it. So even if I double click the Blend tool and then set this to specified steps, and then let's make some more steps, this is not rotating. This is doing something else. So let's cancel that. And let's also undo that a couple of times. So now it's no longer rotated. Let's take a look at it in the Layers panel. I'm going to Window, Layers, and in here you see we've got the two groups. So the violet one on top and the black one in the bottom. So we need to make the rotation different. And in order to get what we want, we can go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and we make the rotation using the transform effect. So I'm going to make a 90 degrees rotation in here, and then let's just select the two. And now we're going to create the blend. Let's make the blend, and you see that looks already kind of great. So let's double click the blend tool and go to specified steps, and let's just increase the number of steps like this, and there we have our blend. Great. So that's what we wanted using the transform effect.